Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to use AssistiveTouch to download apps without a button. For that you need to go to your settings and then just go back, and then we need to go on accessibility, and there we need to find touch. That will be just below physical and motor, and there we need to find this in this first option and just toggle on this, and this is how you enable AssistiveTouch. Then now you need to go to your Apple Store. And now we need to turn on confirmation. For that, scroll down and enable confirm with, and after that just scroll down and we need to find confirm with AssistiveTouch, and that is right here, and tap on continue, and we need to double click this to confirm and enter our passcode, and again double tap this and we'll scan our Face ID. And after that you need to go to your Play Store, or and then you need to go on your Apple Store, and there you need to go and select an app and then tap on this get, and then wait you know. And now what you need to do is go on any app you want to download and then tap on get and use AssistiveTouch when prompted, and tap on that and go on device, and then on more, and then tap on Google Pay, and that is how you use your AssistiveTouch to download apps without any button. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.